Max, Chris from the Hagon factory. This week's video, we're back with Peter Stevens and he'll be working on the B31 BSA. That's sort of coming to an end, the engine. He's very close, and hopefully in the next video we'll get the head and barrel on and get that all buttoned up, and then hopefully he might want to help us out with the gearbox. And if that's the case, after that we'll start working on the frame and give that a clean and we'll get it all together. So we're really looking forward to that. The 350 Velo, it's back together, so that'll be a future video. And we've done more work on the Triumph, and we'll keep making videos on that. I can't wait to get this thing going. So let's have a look at Pete's video.
Today I'm going to try and improve the sealing surfaces between the BSA head and the BSA barrel. Now the barrel surfaces where that seals, there's no gasket involved, so where the sealing, where those two faces meet, the one on the head is quite good. And it appears to me to have machine marks in there where it's been machined with a fly cutter or a boring head. But I set the barrel up on my mill, and when I did, that's what those scratch marks are there. When I did, it had about a 2 thou difference from this front edge to that back edge. So I could have, I suppose, put some shims under it, 2 thou shim under it. I checked the bed with a dial indicator mounted in a collet chuck in the arbor on the mill, and the bed was good. So I'm now going to resort to, well, like I'm just not game enough to do it with the boring attachment on my mill. So I figured that if I just use some of this trusty old valve grinding paste I've got here, and apply that to the surface and just see whether I can improve it slightly. Or better than what it is, but I'm not prepared to run the mill over it in case I stuff it up, and that wouldn't be a good outcome. So I'll leave it at that, and then I'll set the camera up and just do a run on me lapping it over it.
Winters are pretty grey here, it just rains for days. Sometimes it gets hard to stay here in this city of grey. I get so down, I just can't find the light. I get so down, I just gotta get through this night.
By putting some paste, some of this paste on this surface, and then just get the head. I'll do that. I'll put the paste on there. The weight of the head by itself probably going to be enough to provide the pressure against the paste. I measured the gap between the head and the top of the barrel. I think about 30 30 something thou, 35 thou gap, so that the head is brought down with the head studs on this onto this surface to seal between the two. Like I say, there's no gasket there. So I'm going to take this head off now. It can come off. And have a look and see if what, if any, where that's looking. What's that looking at? Yeah, that's good. Can't see much difference. It does look a bit better. Yeah, just even that little bit. I did some the other day as well, but I reckon that's improved it either. If it hasn't improved it, it's cleaned it. It doesn't look too bad. I think I might leave it at that. See what Al, aka the old man, see what his thoughts are on it, because I've got to be reliant on their opinions. I don't know enough about them, the motors, to hold an opinion on what's right and what's not right. So I'll leave it at that and continue on another day. Over and out.
Hi, and welcome to the Black Swan Hotel, Bendigo's premier bike pub. We're open from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, noon till close. Roar in for a drink and a pizza. See you there.
Righto, same as every other week. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. Let's bring Hagon's back.